If you don't want to stay stuck, stressed, broke, going in circles, then stop thinking about millions. Focus on your first $10,000. That's it. Not freedom, not luxury, not some dream lifestyle, just 10,000. Because the first 10,000 isn't about money, it's proof. Proof that you can create income. Proof that money is a skill, not luck, not connections, not rich family nonsense. Once you earn it once, you know you can do it again. So if you're starting from zero, here's the real path. Most beginners make this complicated. They jump into crypto, day trading, some quick money thing they saw online. That's not a strategy. That's gambling. You don't need luck. You need something that starts cheap, pays fast, doesn't trap your money. Strip everything down and you've got 4 real options. Option 1, in-person services. Simple work, helping people locally, cleaning, editing videos for someone nearby, photography, haircuts, errands, fixing tech issues, nothing fancy. And that's the point. You get paid immediately. No website, no logo, no branding. You go, you help, you get cash. But here's the limitation. You trade time for money. You can only serve one person at a time. So yes, it works, but it caps you. Option 2, local products. Selling something you make, food, art, crafts. Sounds good. Until you realize you spend money to create it, you spend time to build it, and your profit disappears into materials. Plus, your buyers are limited. It's slow money, not ideal if your goal is speed. Option 3, global products. Now you sell online. Clothing, digital goods, reselling, print on demand, big audience. Anyone can buy. But here's the catch. Nobody tells you. Your money gets trapped. You sell, restock. You sell, restock. You sell, restock. Profit exists, but you don't feel it yet because it stays tied inside the business. This works, but it takes patience. Option 4, online services. This is where things change. You help people from anywhere. Video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, managing social pages, simple marketing tasks. You get global reach, high profit, fast payment, no inventory, no restocking. You sell effort, not objects. And effort has margins, real ones. This is the fastest route to your first 10,000. Now comes the real question. What do you offer? Ask yourself, what can you do right now? What can you improve fast? What problems do businesses constantly have? Where these overlap, that's your entry point. And don't fall into the trap of waiting to be ready. You don't need mastery, you need reps. Charge less at first, not because you're cheap, because you're buying experience. Now listen carefully. Skill alone won't get you to 10,000. You need 4 things. 1. Positioning. Not all work pays equally. Businesses pay more than individuals. Why? Because they spend to grow. If your work helps them earn, they'll pay. Editing for someone making money beats editing for someone posting for fun. Design that increases sales beats design that looks nice. Money flows toward results. 2. Value. Stop thinking in hours, think in outcomes. Nobody cares how long something takes you. They care what it does for them. If your work helps someone gain customers, get attention, close sales, you're no longer a cost, you're an asset. 3. Reach. Don't just chase clients. Show your work, post your edits, show your designs, break down your process. Visibility attracts opportunity. Silence guarantees invisibility. 4. Reliability. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most beginners fail because they're inconsistent. Late delivery, missed deadlines, poor communication, not lack of talent, lack of discipline. If you become reliable, you instantly move ahead of most people trying to do this. So here's the simple reality. Your first 10,000 won't come from a lucky trade or some viral moment. It comes from solving problems consistently. Do that long enough, and the number stops looking impossible. Make sure to subscribe if you want to grow your wealth, okay? I'll see you over there.